Back everyone! So excited to do this video because we get to learn about a new form of technology, a new platform for geometry, which is going to change our whole mindset, okay? So here is how we're going to flip things around for one day, and maybe we'll use it other times as well. But you are going to go on Geogebra. Now for this video, I want you to take notes of what I'm saying and where to go, what to click, okay? And also experiment with it on your phone as well. So we're going to go to geogebra.org, okay? So go on to geogebra.org and click on more apps. Well, go down to where it says more apps and you see the geometry right there. You're going to go to geometry. You're going to get to this portion of the screen and you're going to go to where it has this little wheel here for the settings, and you're going to click that, okay? And then you are going to show grid. You're going to show the major and minor grid lines, so that means you're seeing big lines as also small grid lines, okay? And you also want to click on show axes. Now here we get some basic tools where we can move this whole grid, right? If you grab it, you can plot a point, right? Over here on the bottom, it gives you sort of like a help or prompts you. Select position, point, or line. You know, you can just click to graph points, right? That's pretty awesome. If you want to delete those points, that means you have to access those points. You access them by using the mouse. So you click on move, you click on the object, and you click the delete. This doesn't only work with points, it also works with any object you have. So suppose I have 3 points, right? Okay, well, using those 3 points, I can actually make a segment using the segment. See, select 2 points. Saw that? Select 2 points on the bottom. Select 2 points. Boom, there is one. I can select another 2 points. Boom, there's another one. And I can do yet again. Okay, so once I have these 3 points, right, I could do a lot of things with it. Also, it looks like a triangle, doesn't it now? But the program won't recognize it as a triangle. It's actually going to recognize it as 3 separate segments. So what you want to do is click on the polygon, and now you can make a shape, okay? Select all vertices. So you're going to select all of them, A, B, C, and close your shape. Boom. There it is, okay? Now you actually have a shape. Well, what is this button here? So the more button, you can construct, right? We've done all these constructions. Great. We can measure everything that we can measure here. So let's measure an angle, right? It says select 3 points. So we can select 3 points, and say we want to measure angle A, we're going to use 3 letters, right? 3 vertices. So D, A, B. And so that angle measures 68 degrees. But we can also measure a length. And let's say we wanted to measure length A, B. Well, that's 4.2. Awesome. So we can do this with all the sides and all the angles. We're not going to be looking too much into circles right now, but we will be looking into transformations. Okay. So if you scroll down to transform, we are dilating. So when you click on dilate, notice what it says. It says select an object, then the center point, then the scale factor. Okay, well, I don't have a center point here yet, so we can make one for ourselves. So let's actually go back and plot a point, and we'll pick the origin here, right? So since we've been working with the origin so much. So let's actually go and dilate. So we're going to select the object. So this is our object. Then we are going to click this point, and then we're going to find a scale factor, which is 2. Done, right? This is awesome, and here is our dilation. So since you've measured AB, what do you suspect that A prime, B prime measures, right? So you can go back here and actually measure it. Here is your distance and length, and you measure it, and guess what you get? I won't spoil it for you, but this is what we're going to be doing tomorrow. This is the program we're going to be using. So I hope this video helps you feel more comfortable with it. See you tomorrow.